2023 Toyota RAV4. With less than 12,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It delivers power and performance along with tons of features such as lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, rear spoiler, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, auxiliary input. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.